Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle Exercise 6.5 question number 7. Let's see the question. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the squares of a diagonal. Now let me draw the rhombus. We know that in rhombus all sides are equal and the diagonals bisect at 90 degree. So that is the main property of a rhombus. Diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect means it's equally divided. Let me take the sides to be ABCD of the rhombus. We know this is 90 degree and the intersection point be O. Now we know that this 2 divides into equal half and this 2 divide into equal half. The diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So all the angles will be of 90 degree in the diagonal. Now given, let ABCD be the rhombus. So according that we know that AO equal to OC equal to half AC. As this bisect each other at 90 degree, we know this bisect each other, the diagonal bisect each other. So AO or OC is equal to half AC. Similarly, OB is equal to OD equal to half BD. These two are equal, so it is equally divided. So 2 OB plus OD is 2 OB or OC OD. This is equal to BC. The 2 comes here, so it becomes by. So 1 by 2 BC. Remember that these 2 are equal. So OB is nothing but half of this BD. Similarly, OA is nothing but half of this AC. So this is the point we are going to take to prove this sum. To prove the sum is the sum of the squares of the sides. That is, sum of the squares is adding all the side square, that is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to the squares of the diagonals. Here the diagonals is AC square plus BD square. We need to prove this. So let us take each and every triangle and we will add, so that we know that this is 90 degree. By hypotenuse, by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that we can find all the side square. So it will be easy for us to add everything. So according to the in triangle AOB, let me take each and every triangle. First AOB triangle, as O is 90 degree, we know by Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to, instead of OA square, here AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Instead of OA square, we know it is half AC square. It is better to substitute half AC square because we need to prove AC and BD. If you go with OC or OA, it will be quite tough for you to final answer. You will not reach your answer. It's better you to go with the AC and BD as given to prove. Now it is half, instead of OB we can write half BD, half BD square. The square will be of whole because here it is half AC square plus half BD square. This becomes 1 by 4 AC. If we square both all the terms, it becomes 1 square 1, 2 square 4 and AC square. Similarly here 1 by 4 BD square. Let me take the equation to be 1. The same way, next triangle is BOC. We know that angle O is equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. Every time you need to write all the things. Hypotenuse square here is BC square equal to OB square plus OC square. Instead of OB we can write half BD square, half BD the whole square plus half AC the whole square. Instead of OC we can write half AC the whole square. Now while squaring everything you need to square 1 by 4 AC square. Now mark this to be equation 2. Now let me take the another triangle. In triangle COD, same way angle O equal to 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem we know that CD square equal to OC square plus OD square. OC square is half AC the whole square plus half BD the whole square. While squaring we get 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square. This is 3. Now let us move to DOC. In triangle DOC, angle O equal to 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem we know CD square equal to, same way, instead of OC we can write half AC the whole square plus for OD we can write a half BD the whole square. While squaring, square all the terms, it becomes 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square, which is equal to CD square. Now this is equation 4. Adding all the equation 1, 2, 3, 4 we get LHS. You need to add to the LHS, RHS to the RHS. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the LHS side you add here AB plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. Sorry, this is AOD. DA square is equal to, on the RHS we have 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square plus 1 by 4 BD square plus 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square plus 1 by 4 again AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square. Solve all the like terms, that is here AC square 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding the denominator all same, so just add the numerator. It is 4 AC square, 4 by 4 AC square plus, same way for BD 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 4. Write the same denominator, and while adding the numerator 1 we have 4 BD square. Yeah, this get cancelled. Now AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to, here it is AC square plus BD square. Thus we have proved it. Hence proved. That's all with the sum. We have proved. Always take AC so that it will be easy for you to conclude. That's all with the sum. Thank you.